If you're looking for a functional compact SUV with both reliability and safety for the whole family, then take a look at this 2017 Ford Escape SE in Shadow Black. With fully automatic headlamps, front fog lamps, 17-inch aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, rear window wiper and washer, power adjustable driver's seat, steering wheel mounted audio controls, sync communications and entertainment system, backup camera, dual zone temp control, rear 60/40 split folding seats, 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details or to schedule a test drive, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 3398A.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.